Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Looks like we got the fire chief's car right here. It is bright red. We got a 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe, exceptionally clean body. The metal throughout is super nice. Has a new crate 306 300 horsepower motor under the hood. Ford overdrive automatic transmission, bucket seats, console. It's got a lot going on. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you find prices on all of our collector cars. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Underneath the car is really clean metal, all the braces, floors, spot welds, just really nice clean metal. They prepped it and they painted it in the red oxide primer, so it's very nice and neat looking. And the front end was completely rebuilt. There's only 300 miles on the restoration, so this is very recent work. But the front end's all new ball joints, springs, shocks, it's all been replaced. Steering components that look like they're new as well. In back, it's all been replaced, including the leaf springs and the bushings and the shocks. It has a full dual exhaust system going all the way back, and it's really nicely done. It's tucked up under there and just has turn down tips at the back, so nothing hanging down under the car. It's got a new fuel system, the tank, the straps, fuel line. Actually, it's a sniper fuel injection, so it has the high pressure lines and fuel pump that's compatible with that. The brake system's been all rebuilt. It has disc conversion in front, new hoses, new lines, the e-brakes hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's a new motor, so it's spotless, has a high torque starter, and it's the AOD automatic overdrive, Ford's transmission that was just rebuilt as well. The rear end's original. It's got 3-to-1 ratio gears in the back. It's been cleaned and painted. So underneath, this car looks really good. The body's exceptional. It's really nice. All these gaps line up just right. It is straight. It is metal. No problem areas that I found. This is all smooth as can be. Look at the gaps, the door's shut. So nice. I was inside the trunk. I don't see any splices. I believe it to be the original quarter panels. The body lines are just right. It doesn't get wavy or funky or anything like that. All nice clean metal here. Both sides are equally as good. No issues on the roof, no issues on the trunk. And the paint obviously is slick. It's a bright red and it's buffed and polished like glass. Whoever did the paint work did a great job, because even the door jambs, the dash is just as slick as this. So someone knew what they were doing when they painted the car. The bumpers have been rechromed. This anodized trim is not beat up, but it's showing some age. All the side moldings are really nice. These are really good. There's a few little pits in there, but not bad at all. All the stainless trim, the emblems, door handles, all of this is just really good original. Shiny, real nice, not brand new. It has dual mirrors, new windshield. Got the spears on the fenders. I like the little fake hood scoop here. It's kind of cool looking. The grill is exceptionally nice. Now the motor is a crate motor. It's a DSS Bullet motor. It's a 306, and it has Ford Racing aluminum heads on top. It has a polished aluminum intake, and then it's got the Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system. Looks like a new ignition system with some nice red plug wires. Dressed up with some finned aluminum valve covers, Ford Racing air cleaner. Has nice braided stainless steel dipsticks for the motor and trans. The front of the motor has a factory power steering, has a new alternator, has aluminum pulleys. And inside the car is done really nice too. Look at these jambs. Most people's paint jobs aren't as slick as the door jambs are in this car. Weather strips are replaced. So the metal in the car is painted just as nice. New reproduction door panels, has the chrome trim right here. Really cool detail. Inside the trunk, dry, clean metal. I had the mat pulled out of here. It's all gloss red. Doesn't look like there's any patchwork or repairs. This is painted slick. The jamb is slick. New weather strip, new mat. Does have a spare. I didn't see a jack in there. 16-inch wheels. They're new. Got Ford spinners, performance tires. Kind of look like an Eleanor style wheel. The seats are all reupholstered, bucket seats. Notice that, buckets with a full console. And it's got the silver piping. That's just a really cool Ford feature detail back then. New carpet. It's got seat belts in front. It says Ford right on the seat belts. Getting back to the motor, it runs cool with an aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator, new shroud, new fan. It's got an overflow bottle. The engine bay is super dry, clean metal. I don't see anything funky. There's no wrinkled up metal, no damage. It's all painted semi-gloss black. All the red is gloss red. It's a very nice, tidy, clean motor compartment. Has a white headliner. Excellent, no wrinkles, white visors. The dome light works. The whole instrument panel is real nice, not broken or drilled. The heater controls, the knobs, the steering wheel, all that's clean, it sparkles. A really exceptional car. I think it's that time where we start it up. It's very comfortable too, the seats. There's a screen in here, a readout screen for the fuel injection. There's 2 speakers and there's a little tiny control panel here for a radio. I don't understand how it works. It turns on. I don't know if you have to Bluetooth it or what, but there is a little like hidden radio in here. The horn ring says Sport Coupe right in the middle. The shift indicator, all of it's just really nice. The mirror's crystal clear. Center console's in really nice shape. Little 306 300 horse engine ought to move this little car really well. Bet it's spunky. The hood fits square, shuts nice, doors shut beautifully, like a new car. Electric fuel pump. There you have it. You got a little red hot chili pepper right here. This is a head turner. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car. Plenty of ways to contact our salesman. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to ask. They're happy to help you. They can also get this delivered anywhere in the country. You get you financed. volocars.com if you're interested in buying one of these cars. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.